cool. I'm liking this. Looks like you can put things on top of the box for when you travel.
Yeah, interesting story about that. Base head problem. The back latch on my hatch busted because of the base. So normally when I compete, I take the platform out. That's for my dogs. So because the subs are up firing.
Yes, sir.
So
the subs are under, so you have an offset height.
Correct.
Oh wow. Okay.
So it's 4 DC audio 15s, Neo 15s, and they're wired at like 1.4, so a little bit high for the tear amps. But I've got 3 XS Power D3100s, Morel mids and highs in all 4 doors. So I mean, it's a daily driver. It's not like it's not a dedicated base ride, but I try to do as much as I can with it.
Man. Did you build the box?
The box was built by Orrin Barkley out of Team OSC. That's the team that I work with, and they went up to Tennessee, picked up the box and the subs, but you know, pretty much everything else install-wise, I did.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. And there's a port in the back end.
There are 3 of the Poptart ports. Poptart Wild, I don't know if you've heard of them, but I've got 3 like 10-inch Poptart ports.
Okay, sweet. I'll check it out after the demo. All right.
Well, I can't because I can't open the hatch.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah. Do you have any pictures on your phone?
Yeah, I can send them to you.
All right.
All right, this
so
is
your back hatch is broken.
Yeah, the back hatch is broken because of base head problem. It usually peaks around 45, so it's not a wind machine by any stretch, but you know, I'm still fairly new to the competition scene. So
thank you very much. Nice to meet you.
I appreciate it, man.
Yes,
thanks for coming out.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate
is there any way I could see the subs? Is there a way to lift? Just so I can kind of see the concept?
Yeah, let me see if I can lift that up a little bit.
Just so I can kind of see the concept on video? There we go. That's a really cool idea. So that way you don't have to worry about subs hitting when the dogs or anybody.
Correct. Yeah, they definitely.
Can you hold that for a second? I'm trying to get a picture.
Yeah, for sure.
There we go. Nice. That's a really good idea. I've never seen somebody do that, but that's genius. I've seen people do amp racks on top too, but
it's a daily driver.
Yes, sir.
So and
there you go.
There's some carpet.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean it's a daily driver, so it's not like a dedicated base ride, like I said. But I've been a base head since the mid-90s. So,
yes, sir. Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? I'm JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed that full walk around we got of his system. Very unique, one of a kind kind of style table countertop, pretty much protective overlay on top of his subwoofer box. I was pretty impressed because the sub box actually didn't move, but his table counter during the demo was moving a lot. Almost was worried about and concerned that the subs were going to hit the wood, but he actually had enough countersink distance, if you look real close, that he wasn't going to have the subs hit the actual countertop piece. But anybody looking to kind of protect their subs, or maybe even design an amplifier layout on top of it, that may be a good idea. Or if you have animals, or you just want to have something to protect your subs from the sun, those are good options. I'm sure it affected his tuning a little bit and maybe a little bit less output because it blocked some of the pressure, but it got the job done. I'm pretty sure he had the 3-inch Neo subwoofers. I found these online. They're 2200 watts RMS each. They may be the 4-inch coil ones, which are rated a lot higher. I'm not sure. Maybe somebody could comment if you noticed that cone. And these are 2 of the 8000 watt amps. I'm not sure if he had both of them on the subs or one, but I could tell this system was getting down to probably a 150 dB plus when he turns it up all the way. So 415-inch sub demo. Welcome to my channel, JacobViral. I do daily car audio videos every day. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and enjoy the demo.
This is kind of a classic.
Baseballing.
Yeah, man.
All right, I'm ready. accuracy was that? That was pretty good.
So this is actually one of DJ Billy E's old sets. It usually peaks around 45.
Okay. Yeah.
So it's not a wind machine by any stretch, but you know, I'm still fairly new to the competition scene. So
Thank you very much. Nice to
dude,
meet you.
I appreciate it, man.
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
thanks for coming out.
Hey, have a good day, man.